Alright everybody, this is my new rig, new gaming system putting together, and this is kind of take two. I had to delete the other video because I left one of the items out, one of the key items. So anyways, I'm pretty excited about this. Again, it's my first water-cooled build. I've been building my own computers for about 14 years now, and I finally took the plunge and I'm going water-cooled. So this is it. This is going to be the rig. It's all going in here first. The NZXT 810 switch white edition. And I did have to modify this a little bit. I'll show you, because this case, I think it was the only flaw really in NZXT's design. You can see that panel down there that I had to cut out, because this fan right here in the third bay, the 140 mil fan I'm putting in there, would otherwise blow on top of that panel right there, and I'll explain that here in a little bit. But had to do a little customization. Otherwise, this is a perfect case. I'm not here to display that necessarily, but just kind of giving you a rundown on it. And then, so to start off, here's starting from the left here, I'm throwing in two of the new GeForce GTX 680s by EVGA in there. I was very fortunate to grab these off of eBay. I mean, not eBay, but Newegg. In the first 15 minutes they became available. And anyways, that was because Archzilla, shout out to Arch, and shout out to Raz, by the way, too. He let me know they were up, and so I got those in the first 15 minutes, and they were sold out within the first 30 minutes on Newegg. And then got a Core i7 2700K. Gonna try to get that thing to 5 or 5.1 gigahertz. We'll see how that goes. Two Intel, the new 520 series SSDs, 240 gigabytes. Gonna put those in a RAID 0. Got 16 gigs of the G.Skill Ripjaw series RAM. The clock speeds, this is the CL78824. Gelid Extreme thermal compound, pretty much the best out there for temperatures. Asus P8Z68V Pro motherboard, gonna throw in there. I got 7 of the case came with 4 of these white fans. I got 7 more of the 140 mil Enthusiast series from NZXT, mainly because of the white. It's a great fan. It moves a ton of air, but mostly because of the color. It's just gonna the scheme inside of the case is gonna be really sweet. There's the fan controller. The K's Q12 Silver Edition controls 12 fans. Let's move over here to the cooling stuff. Well, actually, we'll go over the color scheme inside, really, because that's going to be pretty neat, with the white and blue and black in there. The motherboard's blue. You saw the RAM earlier. I'll hold it up here. The RAM is just going to go in there perfectly. We'll go into the cooling side of things now. So I've got my compression fittings here. Got the coolants, quick disconnects, bunch of bits power, different fittings, 45s, 90s, half-inch inside diameter, 3/4 outside. This is what I left out before, and I'm excited about this. This is the SwiftTech. This is basically their flagship water block for the CPU. And the reason why I got this too is because it came in the white and black, so it's just perfect the way it's going to fit into this whole system. It's got really good reviews, really good temperatures. There's my tubing, blue UV reactive tubing. So again, with the blue scheme, little tube cutter there. This is the Danger Den Monsoon dual bay 5 1/4 reservoir, and I actually bought this off of Danger Den straight from them. Basically, it's a silver faceplate that I'm going to replace. That comes with a black one, the one that I ordered, and I'm going to replace the silver one with that. So it's really going to It's really going to go well with the Q12 on the front of the case, which basically this will be where the fan controller is. These two bays here are going to be where the reservoir is, and then my Blu-ray player right here. And all you got to do is push this button. It actually pushes this little door open. It's a real lightweight door, springed, so it's just going to be really sharp looking. Here's my D5 pump. Goes right in the back of this. The Monsoon. Got a Black Ice GTX Gen 2 Extreme 420 radiator for 3 140 mil fans on top. Speaking of that, the 140 mil fans are going to go up on top of that rack up there between the switch vent, and then the radiator is going to be mounted right underneath, and then the other 3 fans, there's going to be 6 fans in a push-pull configuration that are going to be on the underside of the radiator, and that's essentially why I had to cut this out. You can see that piece in there that I ended up having to cut out because the thickness of that radiator with the fans is going to be almost 90 millimeters. So that fan would have been right on top of that panel. So now it's going to have room to just push air through. There's my UV lights. I got 2 12-inch UV lights. Going to go inside and be lighting up that blue in there. Primo Chill liquid coolant. A couple of dye injectors. Electric blue. It's also UV reactive. Corsair AX 1200. Professional Series PSU. And that'll power everything up. That's plenty of juice for all of this. And that's pretty much it. Let me make sure I didn't miss anything. Yeah, I think so. I think that's it. I'm excited about this build. Big thanks to overclock.net for all of the awesome information for water cooling, hardware, the latest and greatest. I got basically all the hardware I got from Newegg, all the cooling stuff I got from Performance PCs, and I avoided frozen CPU because of some of the reviews on overclock.net about some of the troubles they've had with customer service, and Performance PCs just came right through. They definitely delivered. So big shout out to them. Again, shout out to Raz, Archzilla. Give me a thumbs up. Really helps me out. If you have any comments, post below, questions, I'll answer as I can. And yeah, if you hit the like button, that really helps me out too. I'm just kidding. That's all an inside joke. And water cooled, of course. I'll post more videos, keep you updated. I'm going to try to post, as all the major components are going in to this system through the testing, and once I get everything, making sure I don't have any leaks, I'll keep the build updated on YouTube. So I look forward to it. I'm excited. Thanks for watching.